Clashers. Today we're diving into an epic attack strategy that'll help you dominate your enemies and secure those sweet victories. Let's break down the strategy, troop composition, and execution to see how you can replicate this success in your own battles. Our army composition today will be the Hydra Blizzard, and it'll be a hybrid blizzard with 2 super minions in the clan castle. So for the Hydra, we've got 10 balloons, 5 dragons, 4 dragon riders, 1 lava hound, and 1 apprentice warden. For the spells, we've got a rage, a freeze, a clone, and 5 invisibility spells, and with another clone inside of the clan castle. And we will be using the battle blimp. So let's get into our first replay. So here we want to use the lava hound to tank for the battle blimp. So when you're going to put it down, the battle blimp, you pop your invisibility first, then pop the blimp, and then with the clone and 2 rages. Here I'm not very good. My super minions did not get inside the invisibility, but that's okay because we still got the super wizards. And look, they've taken the town hall down and the surrounding defenses, and even the royal champion. We can get that infernal tower and those Teslas as well. Now for your troop deployment, you want to put down your balloons first, then your dragons and dragon riders for the army, and you can use your king and queen as a sui to funnel one side. Use your Grand Warden's Rage Gem to give them more damage and protect them when they get to the core of the base or whatever's left. And I use the Royal Champion on the right side to funnel a little bit more. Watch out for that king for the Royal Champion because he does a lot of damage to the RC. And there goes the King's Giant Gauntlet ability. There's a lot of AoE damage. Unfortunately for this base, everything's spread out so much. There we go, guys. We're going to get 3 stars. Let's check out another replay. This time we've got super archers and super wizards inside of the battle blimp. Here we found a hole in the base and we're exploiting it, and here we go. There goes the super archers and super wizards. You know, it's key. Sometimes I mess up with those invisibility spells, but if you get them at the right moment, then everything works in harmony. And look at that, we've cleared 20% of the base so already. Now when you're deploying your army, I generally go for the heavier side of the base with the more defenses, or bigger defenses like the eagle. So here I've placed the balloons, the dragons, dragon riders, and heroes. I've frozen the air sweeper and the eagle. Generally when you put your army in, you want to avoid the air sweepers. But here I've just brute forced the base. I think we can get 3 stars with this. Those multi-inferno towers can be deadly to balloons. But like I said, we're going to brute force this base. I've got my heroes at maximum level. Of course for Town Hall 14, it makes everything easier. There's the King's Giant Gauntlet ability with the Rage Gem. Look at that, it took out 3 buildings with 1 swipe. Oh, we got hit by a nasty tornado trap. The Queen's Frozen Arrow slows down the defenses, depending on what level you have, up to, I think mine's at 50% or 40% right now. And there you have it, a masterclass in Clash of Clans strategy that showcases the importance of preparation, knowledge, and execution. Remember, every base has its weakness, and with the right approach, even the toughest opponent can be defeated. Happy clashing!